Hello, my name is John Genter. I am a theology professor at Concordia University, Nebraska, and I will be leading a workshop on the topic of the Apocrypha, where these texts came from, how they've been received throughout the history of the church, even by our Lutheran forebears in the faith, and also what we can learn from them still today. We will take time to note some theological problems in these texts, but also study them for their mature insights into the theology of the Old Testament, and reflect on the wisdom contained in these books for a life well lived. Along the way, we'll also have the chance to think about the way people living in the time between the Testaments expected the promises of God to be fulfilled. People just like Simeon in Luke chapter 2, righteous and devout, waiting on the consolation of Israel until he didn't have to wait anymore because he saw it with his own eyes. I can't wait to get started, and I hope to see you there.